Marketing trends and channels evolved with time. Some trends came and faded quickly, but some remained largely the same over time. Email marketing is one of them. In fact, email remains one of the top channels of content marketing. Email marketing is cost-effective, easy to manage, and allows you to establish direct contact with customers. A ton of email marketing tools are available to help you with your marketing. You can integrate them with your Teachmore account and excel at your email marketing. Hi, this is Sarthak, and in this video, I'll explain how you can integrate one such email marketing tool called Sendgrid with your Teachmore account. Email is the backbone of your customer engagement. Sendgrid email APIs gives you the flexibility to turn your ideas into the reality and the support to scale them to the production. Using Sendgrid, you can send marketing emails as well as transactional emails. So let's see how you can integrate Sendgrid with your Teachmore account. To create the account on Sendgrid, visit sendgrid.com. Click Start for free. Enter your email and a password. The next page is Tell us about yourself. On this page, enter the required details, then click Get started. And that's it. You have just created your Sendgrid account. After you have signed up for the Sendgrid account, there are a few steps which you need to complete so that you can use their accounts fully. After these steps are completed, your credit usage limit will be unlocked. Credit usage limit is the maximum number of emails you can send per month using Sendgrid. And the first step is email verification. The moment you sign up, you will receive a confirmation email to verify the email. Go to your inbox and do the confirmation. The next step is domain authentication. Domain authentication is the functionality that shows mailbox providers like Gmail, Outlook, HubSpot that Sendgrid has your permission to send emails on behalf of your domain. To get started, click on Settings, then Sender Authentication. Now, click on Get Started under Domain Authentication. Here, select the domain service provider. In case you don't know your domain service provider, simply scroll down and select Others Hosts. In the second column, select No. Once done, click Next to continue. Now, you need to enter the domain on which you want to apply domain authentication and click Next. This will take you to the Install DNS Records page. Here, you can see the necessary DNS records. These records consist of three things: record type, host, and its value. To complete domain authentication, you need to add these records to your DNS service provider's dashboard. For example, GoDaddy or BigRock. You can install these records yourself. It is very simple process and takes only a few minutes. Now go to your DNS service provider's dashboard. Here, you need to go to the DNS management page, add a new CNAME record here, and paste the value from your Sendgrid dashboard. For filling the host field, copy the part except your domain and paste it on DNS service provider dashboard. Now, copy the entire text under value from Sendgrid dashboard and paste it on DNS service provider dashboard. Complete this process for all the records and you are done. Once the domain verification is done, your free Sendgrid account is ready. However, if you want to upgrade your account, there are two more steps which you need to complete. Step 1 is to set up two-factor authentication and another one is to add a payment method. Two-factor authentication is recommended by Sendgrid on a free plan as well. Once Sendgrid account verification is completed, the next step of email integration is creating an API key. To create an API key, go to your Sendgrid dashboard, then go to Settings on the left navigation bar and then select API keys. Click Create API Key. Now give your API key a name. Select full access, and finally click Create and View. You have successfully created your API key. Copy your API key somewhere safe. After creating the API key, log into your Teachmore dashboard. Go to Settings, then Integration. Find Sendgrid and click on it. Here, fill in your domain, then the API key you have copied from the Sendgrid dashboard. Right under the API key, enter from name and from address and click on Update. Your Sendgrid integration is done. I hope now you can create a Sendgrid account and integrate it with your Teachmore site. If you still have any queries, you can reach out to our support team. We are always happy to help you. Happy teaching!